To make Beef Bourguignon, or the English translation, beef stew braised in red wine, you have to first gather and prepare your mise en place. First, you have to heat a braisier pot to medium heat. Once hot, add bacon that has been cut into batonette shapes, also called lardons. Sauté until crisp, drain fat, and save for garnish. With the bacon fat still in the braisier pot, keep heat to medium-high and sear the boneless beef chuck until brown. This method of cooking is called the dry heat method. Searing the meat before braising provides flavor through caramelization. Do not overcrowd the pan. Work in small batches to ensure a true sear. Overcrowding leads to moisture, which will steam your meat. Season the meat with salt and pepper. Once meat is done searing, set aside to drain. With the bacon fat still in the braisier, add the onions and garlic, sweat until soft and lightly browned. Add the beef chuck back in the braisier and mix with flour until a roux forms. Continue to cook over medium-high heat until slightly browned. This cooks the starch out as well as adds flavor. Turn heat to high and add red wine. Stir to deglaze and turn heat down to medium. Sauce will thicken. Add beef stock and continue cooking until your sauce thickens. Add your tomato puree, then your sachet, which includes bay leaves, thyme, and celery leaves. Cover your braisier pot and cook in a 325-degree Fahrenheit oven. Braise until your meat is tender, about 1.5 to 2 hours. This is the moist heat cooking method. When meat is tender, remove the sachet, season with salt and pepper if needed, and before service, add your lardons, mushroom caps that have been browned in butter, and your boiled pearl onions that have also been browned in butter. Bon appetit!